Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I show you what is HTML headings. Basically, HTML headings are a title or subtitle of your website and you want to display on your website. Basically, HTML have a 6 tag of the headings H1 to H6, and H1 define the most important heading and S6 is defined the least important heading. So basically search engine use the headings to index the structure and content of your website and your web pages, and you need to specify heading and subheading in your web page, and that time these all tag are useful, and the browser automatically adds some space and margins before and after of the headings. You can specify heading based on your requirement. Let me show you the difference between H1 to H6. So let's open and I'm going to specify here. H1 is already defined. Let me remove this event and also remove this one as well. This is H1. Now we need to specify S1 to S6. So let's specify it here. H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6. Same we need to and the H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6. Let me run this HTML file into the browser and open localhost HTML, and you can see here H1 is bigger and S6 is small. Let me change it here as well so you can easily differentiate it. And see here, this is first H1, this is first H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6. H1 is bigger and H6 is small, so you can specify H1 to H6, and also you can see some margin and padding are there. Let me inspect and show you. Font size 2 and you can see here margin from start and it's defined here. And all the header tag have a display block property, so each and every title display into the next line. You can see here the text is small, but all the texts are listed one by one, because H1 to H6 all these tag have a block property, and that's why it's displaying in each and every line. So thank you for watching the video. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank